one was originally sold to run on natural gas, but we're going to use it for a project to use biogas, which biogas is what you get from like a sewer plant. And natural gas is mostly methane and biogas is mostly methane. So natural gas appliances will probably run on biogas. And this thing is, what's the efficiency on this guy?
About 35%.
Okay, that's with heat or without the heat?
The engine without the heat.
Is 35.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is referred to as being 35% efficient, just the engine. So what does that mean? When somebody says efficiency, the first thing you should say in your mind is, well, what does that really mean? Because efficiency is a comparison. So if you don't know what you're comparing to, you don't know what the efficiency number means. So we're going to feed it natural gas today. And that natural gas has a certain amount of energy that you can release by burning it. And this guy is 35% efficient. So when we burn the natural gas, 35% of the heat energy that's released in it shows up as useful work. The rest of it just turns into heat. Now this unit is designed to do both heating and make electricity. So about 35% of the fuel energy can be taken out as electricity, and the rest of it comes out as heat, which can be used for heating your house or your boat. This one is designed, and they sell it to people who have yachts and people who want to put them on their RVs, or people who want to put them in their house. It works out nice for mobile vehicles because the electricity that it puts out is 24 volts. Yeah. 6-volt batteries, or 4 6-volt batteries. The power it puts out is 24 volts, which there's a lot of equipment out there that is 24 volts DC. Where's it 12?
It's a 12-volt battery.
12, so I lied, it's 12 volts. And your car and your RV stuff is all 12 volts. So this is the burner up here, which is hot.
Don't touch it, so be careful.
The pistons are right in here, pointing upwards. And then the alternator is built right into the very lower part of this, so the electrical part, the alternator, and the engine are all very compact together. This guy is not set up like most engines. They have a drive shaft that comes out and does something. The only thing the engine does is run an alternator. It's assumed that you're going to use the electricity. That's probably enough, so go ahead and fire it up. And I'll kind of keep nattering as soon as you fire it up.
So from here, I can control the unit and the system, and how it's start.
This is called a load bank. And its whole job in life is to use electricity, kind of like a stove would use electricity. Only what this does for us is it also tells us how much electricity it's using, and we can, at the front panel, change how much electricity we're consuming. And then it also has a place where you can hook up a computer and record that electrical use. So the load bank is convenient for running tests. So we're making power?
So our electrical output is now around 600 watts, which is maybe good enough to run an airline.
Maybe. Yeah.
So when the electricity is stored right now with the battery, and now the radiator is on. So if you come here, you can actually feel the heat coming out of the system. So that will be you have any questions?